Dear students, I welcome you once again to the second semester BSc Physics class. In this session, we shall discuss another topic in thermodynamics, that is effect of pressure on melting point of a solid and on boiling point of a liquid. We all know that matter changes its state on the absorption of heat or on the release of heat. Whenever a solid absorbs heat, it melts and becomes a liquid, and in reverse, when a liquid releases heat, it freezes and becomes solid. In the transition of solid into a liquid or liquid into a solid, the temperature at which the solid melts and converts into liquid is known as the melting point. In the same way, a liquid phase changes into a gaseous phase. In this transition, the temperature at which the liquid changes its state into a gaseous state, or when it condenses into a liquid state, this point is known as the boiling point of the substance. In the process of the phase transition, the melting point or the boiling point may vary as per the pressure on the substance. This variation of melting point or the boiling point according to the pressure can be calculated by using Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation. We shall discuss in the coming slides. Here in this picture, you can observe the melting point of water and the boiling point of water. Water freezes or melts at sea level. The melting point is 0 degrees Celsius in the Celsius scale, and it can be measured as 32 degree Fahrenheit in the Fahrenheit scale, and in the Kelvin scale it will be 273.15 Kelvin. The same water boils at sea level. The boiling point of water is considered as 100 degrees Celsius normally. These two temperatures of melting point or the boiling point are considered at normal conditions at the sea level. Since the pressure affects melting point of a solid and the boiling point of a liquid, we shall discuss about the effect of these one by one. Let us consider the effect of pressure on boiling point of a liquid. In order to calculate the increase or decrease of the melting point or boiling point of a substance, we can use the Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation. We have the Clausius-Clapeyron latent equation as dP by dt is equal to L divided by T into V2 minus V1. Here dP is the change in pressure, dt is the change in temperature, This dt is nothing but the change in temperature or the boiling point of a liquid. L is the latent heat, T is the absolute temperature, V2 and V1 are the volume of the substance. Since we know that the Clausius-Clapeyron relationship characterizes the transition between two phases of matter, the Clausius-Clapeyron equation shows that how melting point and boiling point vary with pressure. Now let us consider a conversion of a liquid into a vapor state. In this process, there will be increase in volume of the substance. Here V2 is greater than V1. So when a solid converts into a liquid, obviously the volume of the liquid is greater than the volume of the solid, since the molecular distances increase when it converts into a liquid, and these molecules require more room or space. Obviously the volume of the liquid increases as that of the solid. We can use the Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation, that is dP by dt is equal to L divided by T into V2 minus V1. Since T and L being positive quantities, the term dP by dt at constant volume is a positive quantity. This shows that the boiling point of a liquid is raised by increasing the pressure. This is known as the elevation of boiling point. Now we understood that in the conversion of a solid into a liquid, in this transition, the boiling point of a liquid will be raised in increasing the pressure. With the increase in pressure, the boiling point of a substance increases, and with the decrease in the pressure, the boiling point of the substance decreases. The liquid will boil at a lower temperature under reduced pressure. In case of water, the boiling point increases with increase in pressure and vice versa. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius only at 76 centimeter of Hg pressure, that is at 1 atmospheric pressure. In pressure cookers, if you take the example of increase in pressure, in case of pressure cookers, the liquid boils at higher temperature because the pressure inside is more than the atmospheric pressure. Now let us take an example how the boiling point increases with the increase in pressure. Let us consider an example of water. The normal boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. The normal latent heat of vaporization is 540 into 4200 joules. Specific volume of water is 1 meter cube, and the specific volume of the steam is 2.676 meter cube. Now the change in volume V2 minus V1. Here V1 is the volume of the water and V2 is the volume of the water vapor. The increase in volume is 1.676 meter cube, and if you consider the increase of pressure as 1 atmosphere, that is 1.015 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square in SI unit, then we can use the Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation that can be written in terms of dt is equal to T into V2 minus V1 divided by L into dP. By substituting the values in this expression, dt is equal to 373, that is the temperature, that is the normal boiling point of water, into the change in volume 1.676 into change in pressure is 1.015 into 10 power 5 divided by the latent heat is 540 into 4200. After calculation, so we get the change in the boiling point of water is 27.97 degrees Celsius. It is a positive quantity. Since it is a positive quantity, we can say that the boiling point of water rises by 27.97 degrees Celsius per 1 atmosphere increase of pressure. This is how we can very easily and accurately calculate how much the rise of boiling point by using the Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation. Next, we shall discuss about the melting point of a solid. When a solid melts, there may be increase in volume as in case of wax, or there may be decrease in volume as in case of ice. In general, we know that when a solid melts, there will be increase in the volume. But in case of water, that is in the form of ice, the volume will change when compared to other substances. Now let us consider the case of melting of wax. On melting the wax, the volume increases since the initial volume of wax is V1, and when it melts, after the volume becomes V2. The change in volume V2 minus V1 will be a positive quantity. Therefore, the term dP by dt is positive quantity in the Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation. The rate of change of pressure with respect to temperature is positive, we can say. Hence, the inference is melting point is raised by increase in pressure. Now let us consider the case of ice. Ice will melt at a temperature lower than 0 degrees Celsius at a pressure higher than the normal pressure. This is known as depression in melting point. Ice melts at 0 degrees Celsius only at a pressure of 76 centimeter of mercury. The substances which expand on melting have their melting point raised by increase in pressure. The substances which contract on melting will have their melting point lowered by increase of pressure. Now let us take an example and we shall calculate the change in melting point of ice. We know that the normal melting point of ice is equal to 0 degree Celsius, and the normal latent heat of fusion of ice is 80 into 4200 joules, and the specific volume of ice is 1.091 meter cube, and specific volume of water is 1 meter cube. Now the change in volume when the ice melts and converts into water, the volume V1 of ice and the volume V2 of water is considered, and if you take the difference of these two, it will be a negative quantity, that is the volume decreases. How much it decreases is 0.091 meter cube. And the change in pressure is 1 atmosphere, that is 1.015 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. Now by using the Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation, and we shall write the equation in terms of dT, and we can find out the change in melting point. That is equal to T into V2 minus V1 by L into dP. On substitution the values, we get the melting point of ice is minus 0.074 degree Celsius. Hence we can say the melting point of ice decreases by 0.074 degree Celsius per 1 atmosphere increase of pressure.